don't feel so good. My tummy hurts. I wore makeup today. Para may isang tao na may namadali ako. Anyway, it's breakfast time. And si Kenneth, minamadali niya ako. Kakainis. Ito yung aking breakfast. Konti lang compared to what I had before. French toast with maple syrup. Then to, espasol, turon with ratchet nail, and maha mais. And I have champurrado and danggit right there. And coffee and juice. I keep on pooping on this trip. As in, it's a bit TMI. Pero yun yung totoo. I'll probably wear this later sa bee farm. Sa bee farm. See? Bohol Bee Farm. May nagtutour. Kaya maingay.
Pwede lang po kayo pumasok sa loob. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa inyo. Bye, Sisi!
Ito yung itsura ng bee farm, guys. Ito yung sinabi ni Kuya na itry ko daw yung mga ice cream nila. The Buzz ice cream of Bohol Bee Farm. Yan, maraming flavors. Siguro mamaya na lang after we eat some lunch. I don't feel so good. Parang nag-acid reflux ako. So, where are the bees? Asang bees? Bees. Buti dito walang bayad. Pero kung magpa-tour na, bayad. Ah, wala din. Pero schedule man ang tour, no? Diyan, idiri. Be happy. Be happy. Kaya pala, I felt like my esophagus was really narrow. I couldn't eat much. Because I have acid. Acid reflux. Parang masakad rin yung acid, oh. Parang aslong kayo. Kailangan ko bumili ng gamot. Wala, ang daming ano, oh. Daming plants. Herb garden daw. Herb garden. And I feel so bloated. As in, I feel so bloated. Why? Why must this happen today? Ooh, ice cream production. Are we gonna see how the ice cream is made? Ice cream? Ice cream? Tablea and spread processing. Tea production. Mangga. Ah, pwede kaming sumali dito sa tour. Kaya may naabutan kaming nagtutour. Cassava and banana processing. Ayan. Nakikita niyo sa loob. Kita ba? Can you see? Smiling kasi Eta.
Okay.
Oh, smiling! On my lips, I have lip tint yung KJM. Lip tint in the shade Bloodshot. This hat I got from Japan Home Center for 88. Ayan si Eta, nagluluto. Sino yung giluto? Saba?
Saba pang
Murag cone.
Wala cone na lang.
Ano ang cone sa kuwan? Kadyo tra kayo latuon. Man na.
Hindi na?
Yan kanina, nakapack na ay. Baligya, sad na. Say flat dito. My reflection.
Ayaw mo naman? Sabog.
Amazed kasi Ken. You're so amazed. Ngayon na ako nag-makeup in a while. Ang ganda ko. I feel so pretty. Tinakpan ko ang aking sunburn kasi if you watched the other vlogs, you know how burnt my face is. I look like a lechon kasi red na red ang aking face. Para akong nag-maxi peel. Tapos, yun. Yung nilagay ko sa face ko is the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation. Tapos, right here, gumagawa siya ng tea. Mango tea.
Ano yung mga gusto?
Si Lola. Smile naman dyan.
Kung tea na ba? Ang
tea.
masarap mo. Honeymoon.
Meron din dito, lemongrass tea.
Ang masarap mo naman honeymoon doon.
Oh. Tapos kay tungaunin mo. Ganda. Nadi, gwapa kayo ko. Siya ni Tando. Ayro siya. Tapos, Mary Kay Concealer, yung L'Oreal Matte Magique Powder, yung LA Girl na blush that I always use. Same brows. Maybelline Fashion Brow. And Sansan Brow Gel. Yung. Hindi ako nag-contour. Ice cream! Ice cream production. Makita. May reflection ko. Hindi kayo makita. But yeah. Here! Ang dami nilang herbs. Oh. Herbs. Yan. Daming tanim. Saman. Chives. Kaya ba parang sa'yo chives? Sibuyas dahonan. Yan. Oh, ang todod yan. Daghan kay tanom. May mga nagtutour. Okay. So, sasali daw kami sa tour. 11:30 tour. Malapit na rin naman. Hindi na kami magsasarili. Meron din dito mga potted herbs. Potted herbs. Where are the bees? Where art thou, bees? God, that is one fat cat. Uy, katambok. Hey! Meow! Meow! Kasi tawag ito, Daddy. 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 Kasi tawag ito. Fat pussy. Fat pussy. Come here, fat pussy. Okay, so may bayad pala yung yung tour, 30 pesos each. Cheap lang naman, not bad. Mag-start na siya in 5 minutes. Kanina pa yung 5 minutes na yun. Hanggang ngayon, 5 minutes pa rin. So, dito kami maghihintay. Sa parang lobby nila. It's cute. Fairness. Cutie! Itong foundation ko, I think I applied it kanina, 9? What's the time na nga? 9? 8:30. In-apply ko siya. Okay pa rin! Nag-highlight nga ako dito. Yung ginamit ko is Sansa na Cotton Candy Pink. Medyo mainit na, so I removed my hat. Mamaya ko na siya ilalagay ulit dun kapag may sun. Oily na aking nose. Hello, kasabo sa ilang music. Start na ang aming farm tour.
So this is the last tour for this morning. The next tour, ma'am, is 1 o'clock na po. Because 12 to 1 is lunch break. So you cannot see the other part of the tour. So good morning for everyone. So first of all, I would like to say thank you so much that you visit our farm. So by the way, ma'am, my name is Arnold and I'll be served as your farm local guide in this tour. Well, ma'am, so there's no local name for pandan. But we can only give the scientific name, so it's pandanus. So the pandan, ma'am, is only good for fragrance. Yeah.
It's a massage.
Ito, for a moment.
Alright, tapos na kami sa herbs. Now moving on to the next part of the tour. Mas maganda pala pag nag-ano ka, sumali ka sa tour. Kasi may malalaman kang mga stuff. Kanina kami lang. Hindi namin alam saan kami pupunta. Moving on.
Okay, so this is also our bread, sir, that we serve in the restaurant. So if you try to take the lunch here, so we can serve the best seller. We have the squash bread, we have the kamote bread, and we have the malunggay bread, sir. But the part of the complimentary, ma'am, yeah, when you take your lunch in a restaurant, so we can serve only the squash bread. It's the veggie muffins, and we have the carrot muffins. So among these breads, sir, or among the muffins bread, so the best seller is we have the squash muffins. So all this bread, ma'am, we are using honey as our natural sweetener. So that's the purpose why we culture the European yeast in this farm. So that's the beginning. That's why we call this one the Bee farm. Because during that time in 2001, sir, there's no production during that time, no restaurant. So we're just focusing about the bee farming until we get the idea to sell the honey, and we use honey for other purpose. That's the restaurant, products for the ice cream, and also the production area. Okay, so let's see the other part of my farm tour, because the next one is going to be the crafting and the livelihood area.
Hey, keep up.
Yeah, so this is the second part of my farm tour, ma'am. So I include this one, the livelihood program, because we also sell these products inside the souvenir shop. So at least you also learn what are these products and what's made for. Okay, so in our livelihood program, ma'am, so we have this finished product, and we call this one raffia. So that's the finished products in the livelihood. So if you want to touch, ma'am, so that's the raffia. Yeah. It's different from cinnamide. Cinnamide, sir, okay. Cinnamide is another finished product, ma'am, but it's made from abaca fibers. So this one is raffia. These are the other products here. It's made also for the raffia. And these are the people who work here, and they're assigned, ma'am, to use their skills in this work. So they're really suited, ma'am, because in their skills, they can make their own design. So they're also creative, and their design is so unique. So that's their purpose why we have this livelihood program. Because the owner, ma'am, she wants to help many people from locals. So that's why she have the livelihood program for everyone. So we can customize the product also here. So if you have your own design, your own beautiful design, so your own style, so we can also make this one. So we can accept, and we can make it for you. But they have to use raffia as the main material. And of course, they also still using the old sewing machine. That's the single, that's the old brand of sewing machine, and still alive in our farm. Maybe your grandmother before are still using this one. But in our farm, how we make the raffia, ma'am, as our finished product in the livelihood program. So this is the demonstration, ma'am, how we make the raffia as our finished product in the livelihood. So we call this demonstration, ma'am, traditional weaving machine, or also known as loom and weaving machine. So it's still part of our culture. For our ancestor, they also make this one for the clothes or shelter. And but this product, ma'am, you can use also this one for the native dance, for ethnic dance, ma'am. So they are using this one as the costume. So our weavers here, she can only finish, ma'am, 5 meters a day. Because in this work, you have to use your patience. You must use, ma'am, because when you try to work here, and before you will do the weaving, you have to take first the setup. So setup is the most difficult part of the weaving, because you must use the threads individually. So this yarn, ma'am, will serve only as your guide. Yes, that's the purpose. That's why there are only several people wants to work as a weaver because other people they don't have a patient. So after you shoot the threads, ma'am, so you must count also the threads to use. 5 or 20 threads to be used for one setup because 10 meters, ma'am, will finish also in 2 days. So, yeah. So after you finish the setup, so that's the time that you have to start the weaving. And if you miss the threads, like for example, if you destroy the threads while you do the weaving, you have to stop it. And you have to fix it using your hands. So she will tie again the threads, ma'am, and she will continue after. That's why she can only finish at least 5 meters, including the setup. Because probably, ma'am, the setup will finish also half of a day to finish only the setup.
Right now, we get to see the bees. European bees, no.
The European bees, they can get easily multiply because of the queen bee inside. Because the queen bee, sir, she can produce thousands of eggs because that's her also one of her skills as a queen bee that she can produce thousands of eggs. But the good thing for the queen bee, ma'am, she cannot use the stinger. Why? Because the queen bee, ma'am, is harmless. So you don't have to be worried about the queen bee.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You don't have to be scared, ma'am. Do not use your fear in the store because the bees can smell it. Okay. So let me check first the frame if there are some drones and workers. But let me find first the queen bee, ma'am, in this tour. Maybe we can see them or we can see her. Okay, when I try to check in this side, ma'am, I see only the workers. There are no drones or even the queen bee in this frame. All of these are workers. So I can easily distinguish the workers in this tour, sir. Because worker bees are most powerful and there are so many workers in the frame. See? They're almost workers. So I will point the workers per. Almost in this side are almost worker bees. So if you observe the workers, ma'am, they're not creating sounds, the buzz, and they're not flapping their wings, so which means the workers are not aggressive. But if the workers will try to use their sting or they will try to become aggressive, so they will create the sound buzz. Okay, so this one also, sir, is the honeycomb cells. So the honey is inside, and this the brown color. Okay, the brown color, sir, that's the eggs for the queen. This one, that's her eggs inside. So we can harvest the honey, sir, not every month but every 6 months. So we have to wait 6 months to harvest the honey inside, and we have to include to harvest, sir, the honeycomb cells, because honeycomb cells also useful for making for the beeswax or lip balm. So this is the ingredients that we're using. But the honeycomb cells inside, sir, is also edible, so it means you can eat the honeycomb cells. It's also good like you're eating chewing gums. Okay, what about this one? What about in this side? I think they're all workers. I've never seen the drones here. So all of them are workers. So I think we don't see the queen bee, and there are no drones in this frame, sir. I'm very sorry. It's okay po. Yeah, there's no drones and queen bee, so all of them are the workers.
Souvenir shop. Maraming stuff here. Gawa nila sa kanilang farm. Against the light man, hindi nyo makita. Yan. Ang mga honey for sale. Sino? Banana chips? Bili! Toasted bread. Honey toasted bread. Dried cub-cub. Si cub-cub. Ayan, honey banana chips. 50 pesos. Organic vegetarian chips. So, made of cassava siguro yan. Vegetarian chips.
Jadi yung batas ko kami. Ano ba yun? Ano ito? Ito sa water ba? No? Ah.
Beauty products din. Oh. Papaya soap, lemongrass soap, Kongan, honeycomb soap, honey milk soap. Tapos may mga lip balm din. Human Nature, may mga lip balm. Beeswax, lip balm. Kanilang brand to. Bohol Bee Farm lip balm. Cool. Be beautiful. Be natural. Basing na dali ang oil daddy.
Massage oil? Gawas daw?
Linen and body spray. Char.
Saan yan?
Pahumot. Sports car oh. Simuta daw na. Linen and room spray. Shampoo and conditioner. Char.
Oo.
Kaya papagwapa dali. Insect repellent. Sunny. Hair serum. Char. Meron ding massage oil. Ito yung gusto ni Kenneth. Massage oil. Relaxing and soothing. Dito pala yung mga bag. Tsaka mga dekorasyones. Oh. Mga souvenir. Tarshir. I heart Bohol Bee Farm. I kind of feel a bit better after that walk. Kailangan lang pala ng exercise. Sabi ko kanina, I thought God was punishing me because I ate too much last night. Namili si Kenneth ng sa tawag na magnet. Pang pasalubong. Para sa bahay daw. Kailag lang. Lamp na. Mas barato lang. Mas gamay din.
Based na po yung iba-iba.
Damay ikuan. Lalaw. Silawan. Silawan yun.
Ayaw naman. With this malave honey, I show malave for you.
Kain na lahat, guys.
Malunggay spread. Parang pesto spread lang. Pero mas laki
Pesto,
yung pesto. Na-try ko na lahat. From there. here. Ito yung mga bibili namin. Souvenir. Bohol Bee Farm Hall. Ito yung mga branches nila. The Buzz Cafe. Nasa din sila sa Cebu. The Buzz Cafe. Robinson's Galleria. O The Buzz Ice Cream. SMC side. Duh! Sila din yung gumawa ng chair na yan, guys. Oh. And also this one that I'm sitting on right now. Sila yung gumawa nito. Ayan, better view. Sila yung gumawa nito. Tsaka yung chair na yan, yung yellow-green. Sila yung gumawa niyan. Using synthetic na rattan. Diba? Bongga! Yeah. Punta na kami sa restaurant. Kailangan namin bumaba dito. Woo! Restaurant. Wait lang, baka madapa ako. Bongga naman pala ito yung kanilang restaurant. Ito yung kanilang menu. Ganda. Ganda. Yan, meron kaming complimentary daw. Bread, tapos pesto and honey spread, tsaka kab-kab. Sige, itong kab-kab. Basta, yun yung delicacy nila dito sa Bohol. Then sa kanya, buko shake. Sa akin, lemongrass cooler. With the real thing. Pwede na yung straw. Yawan eh. I-taste natin. Refreshing. Char. Hindi ko alam anong kakainin ko. Kasi masakit yung aking tiyan. Manila water. Thank you. Kasi masakit ng tiyan ko. May acid reflux ako guys. Yan ang order ni Kenneth. Organic roasted chicken. Tapos meron siyang parang green salad na may flour. Makaon daw na salad eh. Aw na buwak. Umut lang. And then merong rice na pula. Ito ng rice.
Red rice.
Red rice. Looks good. Looks good. Ito na. Oh. Kana ang buwak. Ang buwak ba? Let me see you. Ang sa lami. Ba? Koy lami. Tatry ko yung flour. Naghan na. Gamay ro. Wala namang taste yung flour. Parang ano lang. Parang lettuce lang. Seafood soup. Maliit lang pala. Kala ko medyo malaki. Ito yung order ko. Seafood pasta. Masarap to. Yummy. Kain muna ako. Tinry namin yung ice cream. Sa akin biabano, sa kanya malunggay. Nag-pink yung ice cream from my lip tint.
Sumobot pa ko siya.
Mas lami ako. Mas lami ako ang ice cream dali.
Kawalin.
Kumami mo. Kulamihan ka. Titikim pa kami ng iba. Kung kaya pa namin. Ang ganda ng lighting dito. Lighting.
Madera.
Sarap. Tapos yung cone is made of cassava. Diba yung nakita nyo kanina? Yung pinirito. Made of cassava. Tapos, natural sweetener yung gamit kasi honey daw. It's good. Hi guys, dito na kami sa bahay. I'm so tired. Nanonood akong Star Wars. I mean, si Kenneth nanonood. But yeah, I'm so tired. I guess I will see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. And I hope to see you in the next one. Paulit-ulit ako. Bye. Sadly, hindi pa rin tapos yung aking laptop. Hindi pa rin tapos ang aking laptop. Sana bukas tapos na siya. But, yeah. Bye!